Today we are replacing the fuel filler hose in my Prado, so I thought I'd take you along for the trip. I've been noticing over the last few days, maybe weeks, that there's been a nasty fuel smell coming from the rear of the car. I've had that in old Commodores and stuff, and I usually just tighten the fuel cap and it goes away. That didn't happen. So after a bit of a drive yesterday, I looked underneath and the fuel filler hose was dripping like a tap. These cars are expensive to run as it is, so I thought I would get onto it as soon as possible and replace it. So just behind the rear diff is, where is it? There you go. That corrugated hose there runs from the filler cap into the tank. They go all the time. It's a very common part to fail, and I'm going to replace it. This is the brand new part. I bought it genuine from Toyota. It cost me $80, and comes with one clamp up here. I'm guessing you'll just use the existing clamp for the other side once it's installed. And there you go, there's the part number. Let's do it. Alright, so got the Phillips head screwdriver. I'm just undoing this clamp at the top here. I do enjoy the odd spout of off-roading, so this is covered in mud. Oh, in the eyeballs. Fantastic. Oh, gross. Alright, so I've loosened that clamp with the screwdriver, and we just push it back down the thingy here. Man, it's so brittle, so hard. This car's got 235 odd thousand kilometers, so it's bound to fail around this age. The car's an 05 model, so it's 13 years old. Alright, now we'll move on to the other clamp, which is there, and covered in mud. Yay. Alright, for the tank side I couldn't actually get a screwdriver in there, so I'm using my 10mm instead. It's much easier. Undo this clamp. I've just set up a little blanket here on the ground because there's going to be a bit of fuel stuck in the pipe here when where is it? Better undo it. You can already see it dripping out. Oh. Yeah. Alright, I might need two hands, so I'll work on this for a bit and we'll see how we go. Alright, we've got them out, and as I pulled this one out, the fuel did just start pouring out of the inlet of the tank. So I've just chalked that up with the towel, and hopefully that'll won't lose all my fuel, my precious unleaded. Anyway, I've had a look at this this old one, and let's have a look here. I don't know if it's too hard to see, but there is a huge break in it. There you go. Where are we? That's too close. I don't know if you can see, but in between that first perforation there, the first corrugation there is a huge perforation. Yeah, that's not supposed to be like that. It's got the brand newie, and yeah, we'll put that in. Alright, I have just taken the clamp off the old one as well, cleaned it up because it was full of junk. Here it is. And as you can see why the screwdriver wouldn't work, because that, wherever it is, was full of junk. Alright, now I'm just going to take the clamp that the new one's missing. So this new one comes with this clamp, but we'll just take the clamp off there and put it on this one here. Oh, ready to go. Now I've also just noticed that under here, why isn't it focusing? There we go. We're losing a lot of fuel. That little towel is not really working, so I'm going to get a crack on and fix that up. Alrighty, the new part is in and looking very clean and out of place. I'll have to fix that soon. I'll have to take it bush. Yeah, all done. All I can smell is fuel, which is fantastic. I hope that it fixes the problem and I don't have to waste any more fuel. All in all, it's a pretty easy fix. Only takes about 10 minutes to do, and $80 in parts. So yeah, that's that. Hope you enjoyed it. See you later.